Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on how to freeze a row or column in a sheet. In today's video you will learn how to freeze first row or first column of any sheet, or how to freeze custom number of rows or column in an Excel sheet. Now we have a data set here. If I go to view, in the Windows section go to freeze pan and select freeze top row. Now you can see the first row has frozen. Now if I go to freeze pan again and select freeze first column, it will freeze the first column of the sheet, and when you scroll horizontally you can see only the first column has frozen. Now if I want to first two columns and first three rows to be frozen, I will select this cell, go to freeze pan, first unfreeze all pans, then again freeze pans. Now what it does, it will freeze the column before that cell and freeze the rows above that cell. If I scroll down, you can see the first three rows of the sheet has frozen, and if I scroll right, the first two column has frozen. To unfreeze, just go to freeze pans, unfreeze pans. That's all for today. Thank you.